y'all, it's your girl RondaB here. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a cute, cheap, affordable flower arrangement. You can use these flower arrangements for centerpieces, and for my reason I just need to have something cute sitting up on my island area because there's nothing there but my candle that I burn. Before I move forward in this video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Hit that red subscribe button right there. If you have not already clicked that notification button, do that right now. And if you want to leave a comment or two down below, if y'all want to check out my cute little dress. I got dressed today for y'all. I know usually when I record these videos, I be looking toe up from the flow up, but today I wanted to throw on a little something, you know, look cute or whatever. And all the information regarding my items that I'm using will be down below in the description box. So let's go. I went to all type of stores. I would say I went to all type of grocery stores looking for actual sunflowers. Nice looking, pretty sunflowers. And I have not seen any. I'm not sure if I have to go on the days the flowers are shipped to the grocery stores, but all the stores that I've been to, Kroger's, Walmart, like all Food Lion, all those stores, all the flowers were bent up. So I was in Dollar Tree earlier and I ran across these beauties. Say these aren't the cutest. These are so cute. So I grabbed a few. This one is orange and yellow, which I thought was so cute, and these are the regular yellow ones. And I grabbed a few baby breath just to add to the base. And why isn't I need to back this up some. Because my camera is cutting off my bun on top of it's not. There it goes. I'm good. My head was chopped off a little bit. I'm good. Hey. But yeah, so this is just going to be the first video. I was looking for something specific to put down here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put marbles or I'm not going to do sand. But for now, I'm just going to show you all how I arrange my flowers. So yeah, all these flowers I grabbed from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do first is pull them apart. Yeah, we'll pull these apart. Make sure y'all cut the tags off. Again, you can always use real flowers, but since I cannot find the flowers that I want, I'll use the fake ones. So yeah, just spread the flowers apart. So as you put the other ones in, you know, you can mix the flowers up. So y'all see the space? That's why I said I want to add something down here. I'm not sure what I'm adding yet, but I know for a fact I'm adding something. I'll probably go on Walmart or somewhere and look for something to put at the bottom. But if any of you all have any ideas, let me know, and I would definitely take you all thoughts into consideration. I wouldn't be over here struggling trying to get this tape off. Anywho. Oh! I'm missing two. Y'all look at this. Look at this shit. This is what I get for shopping for these flowers from Dollar Tree. Anyway. So I'm going to add these in there. yeah, that's all you do. So for real, if you all have any ideas or tips on what I can add to, you know, make the bottom look a little more, you know, filled, because the bottom of my base is empty right now, please comment down below. Because I know it's going to irritate me within like a day that all that space is at the bottom. Y'all, these are so freaking pretty. I just wish I could have found some real ones. But maybe I could quit being cheap in it and go to an actual flower shop. Go to an actual flower shop and get some real flowers. I'll do that one day. I'll just do a random flower shop visit. Last one, so I got 2 bunches of each, 2 bunches of regular sunflower and 2 bunches of the orange sunflowers. Oh, it is so cute, yo! Just add the baby breath. Y'all see? Want to just add the baby breath all in between the flowers. Disregard my slang. I know I said breath and it's pronounced breath, but us Savannah people, we got our own terminology. Maybe not all Savannians. Maybe that's a word that's made up. I don't know. But we don't pronounce our words 100% all the way. So I've been saying breath, keep on saying breath, but I know the correct way pronounced is breath. Anywho, so just sticking these down. So, maybe I need to fill it up some more. What do y'all think? What should I add to this? It's something is missing. What? I don't know, but I'm glad I got fake flowers the way I'm talking. Alright, y'all, so this is the finish. This is what it looks like from the top. And this is what it looks like from the side. Again, I need some ideas from you all what to put within the bottom part. Sand, marbles, the moss looking stuff, what? And do you all like the baby breaths that I put in there? Should I remove it? Like, I like doing DIY projects because I can use my imagination, and also if I screwed up, I can't blame anybody but myself. So as of now, I'm just gonna sit this up on this island with my ring light. I'm gonna sit this up here on this island next to my candle just to give it, you know, just a little feel up there for now. But I'm definitely gonna mess with this some more, and I'll record a video and shout out whoever helps me come up with the conclusion on how to finish this. But for now, this is it. But yeah, I just want to thank you all for watching my video. And again, if you like my arrangement that I created so far, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And also leave your comment down below on what else I can do to make my flower arrangement pop. If I need to get rid of something, let me know. I'm always down to take tips from you all. So make sure you click that red subscribe button and click that notification bell as well. And also, if you have not already following my personal and business Instagram pages, make sure you do that. Until next time, RondaB.